Okay, so I've decided to do a little update for everybody. Well, a few people, any of my subscribers that are there. If you can subscribe, that would be great. Um, I hope you can hear over the heater. It's kind of cold out there, so I'm trying to heat up my garage a little bit so I can work. But if you remember, there's a whole mess of wires. It was just all over the place. And I'm trying to fix that. So I'm basically ripping out the entire wiring system, except for a few things that I know I need to keep. And I have I can't remember where is it from. It's not Painless. It's some other company that was suggested by a few people that would be a little bit better. I'll have to throw it in there or type it in the comments or something, in the description or something. But yeah, I'm ripping out all the wires, everything, and starting over with one of those systems. Could be a mistake, maybe, probably. My case, probably. Also, what I've got coming, kind of a surprise, and maybe I will either tell you now or just kind of show you when it shows up. And that's got me a little bit nervous too. So the carburetor is coming out. I know that's kind of a sad thing for a few people. They love their carburetors, but I just cannot get it to be happy. Going up hills, down hills, around hills, forward, backward, sideways, anything. So it's coming out, and an Ace's kill shot is arriving probably next week sometime. So all this is coming off. I'm going to take this off, block the exhaust ports going across, and then clean it up, repaint that top part, maybe clean all the valve covers up, clean this up. The old Mallory system is mostly out, and the whole new system is going in. Could be a mistake, and again, who knows. One of my buddies says, yeah, no, it's gonna work fine. So hopefully, I trust him. He's a pretty knowledgeable guy. So that is the update. And let me show you what's on the inside. It's a freaking rat's nest of wires that was coming through here. You can kind of see what I was talking about. All those wires right there. Yeah. Grab me a light. And you can kind of see up in there. Just a whole mess of wires going everywhere, every which way. I think one of the things that made me decide, I was actually looking for an LS. I was really hoping to get an LS in here, but I couldn't find one for a good price. It was going to be a lot more work to put it in. Some people say no, it wouldn't. Yeah, for me it would. I couldn't find a decent LS with lower miles. All of them had 300,000 miles, the ones I could afford. So, you know, my friend told me, hey, what about just getting an EFI system on it? Sure, why not? Let's try it. And the whole new wiring system. I can't remember where I was going with this. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I'm ripping all that out, putting the EFI system in it, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, that is the update.